Hey guys, I'm over at the Hard Rock Bristol in Bristol, Virginia. It's on the Virginia-Tennessee border, and we got comped a king room, so I thought I'd give you guys a tour. Honestly, this room is really nice. It had a Lavazza coffee machine, which honestly looked too fancy for me to even try to mess with. Of course, had a fridge or mini cooler, however we're wording it these days, because sometimes they keep cold stuff cold and sometimes they just keep it cool. Did have the electric thermostat, plenty of plugs. This hotel just opened, I think, in like December 2024, so it's still pretty much a brand new hotel. I love the embroidery of the guitars because remember, this is a hard rock. So, of course, we have some great hard rock vibes going on. I love that the safe was in the drawer. I feel like that was kind of a new, cool thing. Like I said, bunch of plugs, all the buttons to turn off the lights in bed, because we all know as soon as you get comfy in bed, there's some light you forgot to turn off. The view wasn't the best. It was of the roof, as you can see, but we weren't really there for the roof. We weren't there for the view. It was a nice comfy bed, nice comfy place to sleep for the night. We were there only one night, but definitely worth going there again. Another cool thing is on the card envelope, there was actually a Spotify playlist specifically for the hotel, which I thought was really cool. And then this bathroom was gorgeous. I loved the underlighting. And of course, we did have the makeup mirror. Everything was gold plated, which was really cute. The bath products smelled great. As you can see, they're installed in the wall. Love the two shower heads. It was just honestly just a really great stay. I would definitely stay here again if we're comped again here. And they did have a separate door to the toilet. But again, a great stay over at Hard Rock Bristol in Bristol, Virginia. Definitely check it out if you are in the area.